that we always try our best to provide the best possible things to your children, the best possible education, the best possible facilities and opportunities that is always given. Now, the best need not be, the best that we provide need not be the best that is available in the world, but then the best within our context, the best within our society, the best within our means that is always provided. And I am sure all of you would appreciate that.
Let me stay in PG, but I'll finish my 12 in SFS, she said. Only because of this sentence, my husband left, we are staying here, only because of her. So that sentence gave us more confidence that she is more comfortable in this school. Really thank you to you, Father, and thank you all the teachers for giving her the confidence.
Are you meeting the expectation of your child? Please help your child in enhancing his or her quality. How good friends can be, what is the limit for that friendship? When parents are not there, can you imagine? It's very, very, very difficult. What is important is, can they lead a life without your help? But how many of them know what is their real passion? They may not be able to tell or express it. Your kids are not your progress card in the society. Many parents tell, no, my son is this, my son is doing well, this scholarship, that scholarship. It will not take you anywhere. Your kid will become progress card when they reach age of 30. When you tell they are leading a happy family life with a good job, good career, still loving me, that is your progress card.
All-round development in terms of physical, social, emotional, moral, creative and aesthetic sense in an integrated manner.
Now, dear parents, in case you would like to, from all your experiences, in case you would like to give any suggestions or any opinions, and if you have any concerns, you are always free to do that.
How to reduce to use the mobile?
We have to communicate, and I can see the class teacher of Kabir. She has been a wonderful teacher. She's almost like a mother to him.
Spending quality time with our children, and almost 6 to 7 times the parents visit the school in a year. Parents are the first teachers and family is the first school. I would like to sincerely thank every one of you for being part of the journey of our school and also being part of the journey of your children.